Baby Hank, do you want some hot cocoa? Do you want your hot cocoa, Baby Hank? Welcome back to my channel and the first official decorating video of my 2021 holiday series. I think this might be my absolute favorite video to film because today we are decorating my hot cocoa bar for Christmas. And if you know me, then you know I absolutely love a good beverage station in my home. So the hot cocoa bar is like the highlight of my year. So I'm really excited to share it with you today, and I'm also going to be sharing 2 of my favorite homemade hot cocoa recipes at the end of this video. So be sure to stick around because they are super easy to make and really yummy. But right now, if you want to, go ahead and grab yourself a cup of hot cocoa and come decorate with me for a bit. We are getting started today with some fake snow. I think this will be the perfect foundation for my hot cocoa bar this year. Do you guys use fake snow when you decorate for the holidays? Let me know in the comments below. If you haven't guessed the theme of my hot cocoa bar this year, then you probably now know that it is gingerbread. I was inspired by this beautiful gingerbread house I found on QVC this year, and I just cannot get enough. It is so cute. If you have been to my channel before, then you may know that I like to switch up my coffee or beverage station with the seasons in my home. So I really look forward to the best beverage station of them all, and that is, of course, the holiday hot cocoa bar. I think I love it so much because it's not only a great way to start my day every day during the holiday season, but I get to share it with family and friends when they visit, and they always seem to love it too, so that just makes me really happy. now I'm using an acrylic drawer organizer from my pantry. Just to give part of the display a bit of height, I added these fun vintage inspired string lights with some fake snow in the drawer. I just love how it turned out.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la, la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la, la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Told the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la, la 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 la. See the blazing Yule before us, fa la 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 la, la 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 la. Strike the harp and join the chorus, fa la 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 la, la 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 la. Follow me in merry measure, fa la 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 la. While I tell of Yuletide treasure, fa la 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 la, la 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 la. Fast away the old year passes, fa la 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 la, la 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 la. Hail the new year, lads and lasses, fa la 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 la, la 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 la. Sing we joyous all together, fa la 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 la. Heedless of the wind and weather, fa la 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 la, la 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 la.
I'm going to share a couple of my favorite homemade hot cocoa recipes with you. I do have a free printable of the recipes in the description below, just in case you want to try them out for yourself. We're going to start out with my Peppermint White Hot Chocolate. You'll need 1 cup of milk, 2 ounces of finely chopped white chocolate or white chocolate chips, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, an 1/8 teaspoon of peppermint extract, and a pinch of salt. We're going to start out by heating up the milk on the stove just under a boil, and then we are going to add it to the chopped up white chocolate. After that is blended and the chocolate is melted, you want to add in your extracts and your pinch of salt. Then you just pour in a glass and enjoy with some of your favorite toppings. We're going to make the cinnamon hot cocoa mix. This is great because it's a dry mix, so you make it for yourself, or you can make this and put it in a really cute jar and give it to someone you love this holiday season. We are going to use 1 cup of sugar, 3/4 cups brown sugar, 1 heaping cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Let's just put all of your ingredients into a mixing bowl and whisk until well blended, and then you can add it to a jar or a container of your choice. To make this yummy hot cocoa, just add 2 tablespoons to your favorite holiday mug and pour 1 cup of warm milk over the top, mix it up, and then just add your favorite toppings. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because there are so many more fun holiday videos coming. We're gonna decorate, we're gonna bake, we're gonna do some DIYs. I'm so excited to share this season with you. So I hope you'll stick around and join me during the holidays here on my channel. I would love to spend it with you. I hope I see you soon. Bye.